Studying medicine abroad continues to be one of the most popular academic paths for students across South Asia. With limited government medical seats and rising tuition fees in private institutions, many students from India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka are turning to international universities that offer globally recognized MBBS degrees at a much more affordable cost. There are several countries where medical education is available to international students, including Russia, Kazakhstan, Georgia, the Philippines, and Bangladesh. Each destination offers its own advantages, but every option also comes with specific admission criteria, regulatory requirements, and long-term implications for licensing and practice back home. For Indian students, one of the most important eligibility criteria is NEET qualification. As per the guidelines issued by the National Medical Commission, NMC, NEET is compulsory for any student who wishes to pursue MBBS abroad and return to India for practice. This rule applies regardless of whether the foreign university requires NEET or not. Without it, the medical degree will not be recognized, and the student will not be allowed to appear for FMGE or NEXT in the future. Students from Nepal and Sri Lanka are also required to follow their respective medical councils' eligibility norms. This typically includes a science stream background with subjects like physics, chemistry, and biology. A minimum of 60% marks in PCB is standard, though some universities may accept lower scores based on seat availability and country-specific quotas. English medium schooling is considered beneficial since the majority of medical programs abroad are taught entirely in English. Age is another important criterion. Students must have completed their 17th year of age by December 31st of the admission year. In addition, most universities require that the student's 12th grade qualification was completed within the last 2 academic years to ensure academic continuity. Once eligibility is confirmed, the admission process begins with documentation. Most universities follow a similar format. Students are asked to submit their academic transcripts, NEET scorecard, if applicable, valid passport, passport-sized photographs, and the completed university application form. Depending on the university or country, some institutions may also request health certificates, affidavits, or additional declarations confirming eligibility and financial readiness. After the initial application review, the university issues a provisional offer letter. This document confirms the student's acceptance and outlines the next steps for seat reservation or tuition payment. Once the payment is completed, a final confirmation letter or visa invitation is provided, which is essential for beginning the visa process. The visa stage varies by country. In destinations like Russia and Kazakhstan, students must get documents translated and notarized, and in some cases, submit health tests and financial guarantees. The Philippines may require guardianship documents and embassy authentication. For countries like Bangladesh, the visa process is more streamlined, especially for Indian and Nepali applicants. Required documents are minimal, and embassies are familiar with the student admission flow. A critical part of this entire process is college selection. Not every university that admits students holds the necessary approvals for practice back home. This is why it is essential to verify whether the college is listed in the World Directory of Medical Schools, WDOMS, and recognized by the home country's medical council. Choosing an unrecognized university can result in a valid degree abroad but a career dead end at home. To avoid such complications, students and parents are increasingly working with authorized admission partners who manage applications, documentation, embassy coordination, and even post-arrival support. One such trusted organization is Fortune Education. Fortune Education has over 30 years of experience in guiding students through medical admissions abroad, with special expertise in Bangladesh. They assist with eligibility verification, university selection, scholarship application, and visa processing, ensuring that every step of the journey is compliant and smooth. They also provide transparent fee structures and full disclosure on academic timelines and student responsibilities. Every country has its own approach to medical education. But for students from the Indian subcontinent, it is essential to find a country that offers not only academic quality but also cultural familiarity, affordability, and long-term recognition. That's where Bangladesh emerges as a strong and practical choice for MBBS education. Bangladesh offers an English medium curriculum, patient-rich hospitals, NMC-aligned coursework, and an environment that's culturally and geographically close to home. Indian, Nepali, and Sri Lanka students find it easier to adapt, both academically and socially, making it a dependable destination for long-term success in medicine. Among all international destinations, Bangladesh has consistently proven to be one of the most reliable and practical options for South Asian students pursuing an MBBS degree. It offers a combination of affordability, high academic standards, and recognized degrees, all within a region that shares language, culture, and values with neighboring countries like India and Nepal. Medical colleges in Bangladesh follow a structured 5-year MBBS curriculum approved by the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council, BMDC, and most are listed in the World Directory of Medical Schools, WDOMS. This global listing ensures that graduates are eligible to appear for licensing exams like FMGE, NEXT in India, NLE in Nepal, ERPM in Sri Lanka, and even USMLE or PLAB for those aiming to practice internationally. One of the key academic strengths of Bangladesh is its early clinical exposure. Students begin interacting with patients in hospital settings as early as their second year. This hands-on training continues throughout the course, with structured clinical rotations across departments like medicine, surgery, gynecology, pediatrics, and more. The availability of large public and military hospitals means that students encounter a wide range of real-world medical cases. Colleges like Army Medical College Chattogram, Army Medical College Kamila, Army Medical College Bogra, and Army Medical College Jashore are particularly known for their academic discipline, advanced infrastructure, and military-supervised campus environments. These colleges combine modern teaching methods with strict quality control and have consistently maintained a high academic performance record. In terms of cost, the MBBS program in Bangladesh is among the most affordable in the world. Tuition fees for the entire 5-year program typically range between 25 Indian rupees to 35 lakhs, or the equivalent in other South Asian currencies. This fee often includes hostel accommodation, and in some cases, food and health insurance. Unlike many other countries, there are no hidden charges, and students are not required to pay any form of capitation or donation. Fortune Education, as an official admission partner, plays a significant role in simplifying this process. They offer exclusive access to reserved international seats, help students apply for scholarships of up to $5,000, and handle all documentation and visa-related formalities. Their long-standing presence and partnerships with leading institutions ensure a smoother, faster, and more transparent admission process for students. Beyond academics, life as a student in Bangladesh is also manageable and comfortable. The cultural environment is familiar, and Indian, Nepali, and Sri Lanka students often find local food, religious practices, language dialects, and daily lifestyle easy to adapt to. Most colleges provide well-maintained on-campus or nearby hostels with essential facilities like internet, 24/7 security, dining halls, and study spaces. Student communities are active, and universities often host extracurricular activities, medical seminars, and cultural events that enrich student life. The proximity to home is also a major advantage. With short flights and no major time zone differences, students and families can remain closely connected throughout the academic journey. Medical colleges in Bangladesh also observe several South Asian holidays and festivals, adding to the sense of belonging. Graduates from Bangladesh who return to their home countries are well prepared for licensing exams and clinical practice. The focus on practical learning, case-based discussions, and patient interaction ensures that students are confident and competent by the time they complete their course. Many also go on to pursue postgraduate studies in India, Nepal, or abroad with success. Choosing the right destination for MBBS is a serious decision, one that affects both your academic path and professional future. Bangladesh offers a balance of quality, affordability, cultural ease, and global recognition, making it one of the most sensible and secure options for international students from South Asia. With the right guidance from Fortune Education, students can navigate the process confidently, from eligibility assessment and university selection to visa processing, scholarships, and post-admission support, all under one experienced team. For Indian, Nepali, and Sri Lanka students looking for clarity, transparency, and a well-defined pathway in medical education, Bangladesh stands out as an option that delivers both academic value and peace of mind.